In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to QuickBooks. So you want to go to menu, go to transactions, and then press link account. And then you want to search for PayPal and choose PayPal. And then press continue. And boom, log into your PayPal. Press agree and connect. And then it's done. That's basically it. It's very quick and easy. Just wait for this. And boom, it's connected. Alright, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.